YouTube channel.
So guys, today's topic, like I always say, is something very interesting. It is our first reaction to makeup beauty products and our now reaction. So the things that we found were, यार इससे क्या होता है, बड़ी weird सी चीज है. And now we feel that, oh my god, it was so much essential
that it's actually we can't live without those things while doing our makeup now.
So we're gonna show you all those little things.
Yeah. So without further ado, let's get started.
So guys, the first weird thing is, yeah, what is this? My first reaction, in fact yours was the same. We went to a friend's place and found this in the freezer.
And we were like, what is this? What does this do?
What does this do, man? What is this?
And then when she told us about it, that it's a jade roller and इसके कितने सारे benefits हैं guys.
It helps with blood circulation. It helps to get rid of toxins from your face.
Also like under eye bags के लिए it's so good. अब puffiness के लिए it's so good. Keep it in your fridge. Yeah. Let it cool and just use it every morning for the massage of your face, and it does wonders.
Exactly.
Man.
And before makeup, give your skin this cold compressed jade roller, so that when you start your makeup, your skin is all relaxed, there are no irritations. So now reaction is, अरे jade roller kind सबसे पहले jade.
Yeah. Now every morning we like सुबह बैठ के.
It only takes 2 minutes, but so effective. So first is this.
Number 2. I know everybody knows about this, but ये हमें नहीं पता था यार. Primer. हमें यही लगता था, why are you adding one more layer to your bare skin? Moisturizer के बाद डायरेक्ट foundation लगाओ ना.
Very honestly, you might think what a dumbass I am, but foundation से coverage होती है. Concealer से you get like rid of blemishes. Blush भी दिखता है, lipstick भी दिखती है, mascara.
But everything's visible.
Yeah. So this thing, which is just like a transparent thing, what is it gonna do? It's a waste.
And literally guys, ये हमने अभी recently 1 month पहले मंगवाए हैं.
Yeah.
So I wanted the color bar one.
And I have this photo finish Smashbox
and
primer.
It actually does wonders. Your pores, मतलब glass skin लगती है ये लगा के.
Yeah, people have asked me on Diwali, you are glowing in Manali. I went for a vacation. They're like, you're glowing, you're glowing. I'm like, this is because I've started using a primer.
It makes a hell lot of a difference. I mean, this is very, very, very important.
It's not a waste. It's not a waste.
It's not. It's
this weird product is good.
Yeah. Very useful.
So guys, the next and the third beauty equipment which we used to find कि भाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा weird है, is this thing. A lot of you would know what this is. A lot of you maybe are still afraid of using it.
A lash curler, guys. A lash curler.
So our first reaction to this was also the same कि भाई नहीं.
It's not needed and we will never use it. We won't touch it.
But the secret now is, guys, even if you're not doing any makeup but you want your eyes to look open, makeup भी मत लगाओ, nothing. Just like हल्का सा इसको curl करना adds up.
Exactly, it adds up so much. We cannot do a mascara or no mascara days without a lash curler. This has become like a necessity every day के लिए.
And everybody needs it.
Yes, and it's nothing to be scared about. Just try it.
It's very easy.
It's very easy and very easy. So guys, the next very weird thing that we see. अच्छा चलो एक we know that there's concealer.
ठीक
है वो under eyes के लिए.
And अपनी skin tone का ले लो और ठीक है.
Whatever works for you. But the weird thing that we saw is a color corrector. Yeah. I mean, I was just on this website and I was like, why concealers नहीं है orange color का क्या है? What's the use?
And also there's a green color corrector,
a purple color corrector,
purple color corrector. And MAC में या Sephora में whenever I would go, I'd be like, यार ये तो एकदम ही wasted की तरह देखो भी मत.
Exactly. मतलब we didn't even bother finding out कि उसका काम क्या है.
Exactly. But so that was our first reaction, guys.
But now that we do know about what it does, it actually helps so much. मतलब peach color corrector लगा के when you conceal your dark circles, it makes so much of a difference.
Yes.
That just a normal concealer cannot do. It just cannot.
Even the green color corrector, like we have a little bit of acne, sort of pimples. So to conceal them, first you put the green concealer and उसके ऊपर you put your normal concealer
or foundation or whatever.
Exactly. It
and
makes or breaks the deal.
Exactly. That is how जब हम देखते हैं कि somebody has like a flawless makeup done,
जो skin glow कर रही होती है. These are the secrets they use.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, and it actually makes a difference.
Another thing is a peach color corrector or a color corrector
that suits you.
Exactly.
Your skin. So guys, the next thing, okay, we've heard about false lashes, but there's this new thing, magnetic lashes. Like it's so weird. But now we are in this trap. We're gonna show you. So these are the lashes right here.
It's just so easy again.
It makes your life so much easier. नहीं आ रही है वो चिपकानी, वो उतारनी, This
so this comes with this liner which is black in color. So basically this is the magnet that it sticks onto. I show it to you on my hand. There's the liner. And you just take the lash. And stick it on. And it stays. मैंने खुद ने पूरे दिन लगा के देखा. It actually stays. But this is such a cool thing, yaar. This is such a cool thing.
Very, very cool.
This actually works.
This weird product is so cool. All thumbs up for it.
So guys, the next thing is this. What is it?
क्या ये?
What is it?
क्या ये? So the first reaction, our first reaction is, what is this thing? When we got to know what this is, which is,
then we realize how important it is. It's a makeup brush cleaner. This makes the work so much easier.
Like instead of just doing it on your hands, here, there.
और ये बहुत ज़्यादा dirt निकालता है यार. ये वाला our hands can't do that. तो इसलिए just running water के नीचे put your whatever soap you want to use for your brushes and just keep on rubbing it like this. You get it on Nykaa, Amazon, anywhere. You can find it anywhere. It's such a normal thing, but it's just that we didn't know about it. But it's very, very handy. So makeup brush cleaner.
So guys, the next weird thing which a lot of people have asked me, it was never weird for me, nor it was weird for you, but a lot of friends have asked, why do I have this thing in my makeup kit? And why does she keep borrowing it from me? Like
what is it?
So this is basically a hair remover which I've shown in other videos also. It's only for your upper lips, a little bit of these tiny hair that you should definitely remove. A lot of people were like, यार ये सब नहीं यूज करना चाहिए, hard growth हो जाती है, बाल tight आ जाते हैं, this and that. Sorry for saying it.
I mean, she's never got her upper lips done threaded or like waxed or anything. It's just been this. I get it done sometimes, but such a handy thing, yaar. So a very good product.
Yeah, weird but nice.
So guys, एक होता है mascara. All of us know about it.
Yeah.
कुछ टाइम पहले we got to know about a thing called a lash primer. It's a white colored mascara, and we were like,
क्या waste है ये? Like इसको भी लगाओ, पहले mascara लगा ही रहे हो, curl कर ही रहे हो.
मतलब we are not even in like the modeling industry that we have to go so over the top and wear a white mascara and stuff like that. But then when we got to know कि इसका actual में use किया है, you put a white layer which is the lash primer and then you apply your mascara. It makes so much of a difference क्योंकि वो तुम्हारे उसको छोटा छोटा सा करके it gives volume to your lashes. For example, I have very scanty, sad eyelashes, and this
sad eyelashes, side eyebrows.
So this is so helpful.
Yeah.
और अभी तक नहीं पता था इसके बारे में, और ये मैं भी कभी देखा था तो ध्यान ही नहीं गया इस चीज पे.
Because we like it's a waste.
Exactly. क्या करोगे तुम white color के mascara का? But then we understood it's not a white color mascara. It's a lash primer and helps so much.
So guys, it's about the notion that you have around certain things. So our notion was, अगर eyeshadow लगाना है, so you need an eyeshadow brush. Blush लगाना है तो you need a blush का brush. Foundation लगाना है तो foundation का brush. But it was but it was always very weird for us. यार लोग इतने सारे क्यों रखते हैं? इतनी छोटी सी तो eyes हैं.
We always used to think इतने सारे brushes just for eyes.
Yeah, and it's a waste.
Exactly.
क्यों रखते हैं? But guys, now
with time we understood what every brush ka purpose is. You need a packer brush for packing on the color. You need a smaller brush for detailing.
You need another brush to just put the little bit of highlighter of the color that you want to put. So you need all these different brushes.
With time we have understood how all these are.
And our makeup is grown.
Exactly.
And our makeup game is growing day by day. Obviously it's not 100% correct right now.
But still very important. जो weird लगता था पहले हमें कि why so many brushes, but no.
But you need them.
Very important.
Definitely.
So guys, the last thing which is weird for us, but I know a lot of people use it like it's their holy grail and everything. But हमें again ये चीज इतनी weird लगती थी, which is this.
What is this? It's not a deodorant. It's not a hairspray.
It's a setting spray.
What does it said?
But the point is, हाँ, what does it said? I mean, what difference would it make अगर तुम पूरा मेकअप करके अपने मुंह पे कैसे ऐसे कुछ चीज का स्प्रे कर लो? हमें यही लगता था. Just another thing. I mean, just another thing to add. चाहे उसका कोई सेंस है चाहे नहीं है. Exactly. But the point is, when we actually gave it a try, we ordered it, used it, then we realized how important it is and how beautifully it packs your makeup.
Exactly. And those lines की लोगों की एकदम आपको lines नहीं दिख रही हैं. The makeup you put it at 11 AM and it's still there at 6 PM. How?
It's because of this small thing, because of the spray.
And also पूरा makeup जो होता है उसके बाद if you do this setting spray, it gives you like a flawless finish.
Because everything it mixes everything together. The blush, the concealer, the highlighter, the bronzer, सबको ही एक साथ together mix up कर देता है ताकि वो सब चीज cohesive लगके बहुत अच्छा वो दे outlook.
So that's the end of the video, guys. These were our 10 products that we used to find very weird. So our first reactions were like that. But अब
Holy grails, cannot live without them, cannot think about doing our makeup without these products.
Exactly. So we hope that you also liked what we showed you.
Or you understood stuff.
Exactly, that we got a later realization. But
because even we are not makeup pros now, where you keep learning with time and everything, and that's why we wanted to share all these things with you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified about our videos as and when they're uploaded.
And also to be friends, please connect with us on Instagram. We have our
Instagram handle.
Yeah. And for latest updates, reels, thoda masala, thoda Instagram ko follow
us on Instagram, guys. We make a lot of fun content on Instagram as well.
And if you want to ask us anything about these products, ask us in the comment section. We'll reply to you. We'd love to know your point of view.
And we'll link as many of these products as we can in the description box below. And we'll see you next Friday.